So good.
Hello my loves, it's Sundown here coming at you with another video, but go ahead and subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on those post notifications so you're notified every time I post another video. This video is sponsored by one of my faves, Pureauty Naturals, which is a spin on the word pure and beauty, Pureauty Naturals. This is their Biotin eyelash and eyebrow serum, advanced formula with castor oil, green tea, and a biotin. Now, as you can see, not only is my hair growing, but my brows are looking crazy and my eyelashes have been popping as of lately, and it is all because of this Biotin eyelash and eyebrow serum from Pureauty Naturals. You know that before I tell you about anything, I try it out first, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video so you can see exactly how I use it and get a little up close on how it looks. So I'd already pre-stretched my hair, and that video can be found in the description box below, as well as the full live of me putting my hair in box braids. I actually did my hair in box braids here on live, so make sure you leave me a comment right now and let me know if whether or not you caught my live video, and if you didn't catch it, let me know what is the best time of the day for me to post a live video for you so you can catch it, because I know sometimes we have stuff to do. So right now in the comments, let me know what is the best time for you. So at this point, like I said, I'm putting in some box braids. I just wanted to go ahead and get my hair out of the way, you guys, because there is not enough time in the day for me to get all of the different things that I need to get done, especially with both of my babies being homeschooled now, you know. So there's a lot that I have to do. So these box braids for life. You guys know I did the feed-ins last time, but she don't have time for that. As you can see from earlier in the clip, I have a little something going on with my body, so I want to go ahead and get rid of some of these dark spots on my face. Make sure you check the link in the description box below for the full recipe. The only things you're really going to need is aloe vera, turmeric, some black pepper, and olive oil, but it is a certain type of olive oil, so make sure you check that blog post. You need that black pepper to go ahead and activate that turmeric. Some people think that's only for if you're ingesting it, but check the blog post, okay? Now, I love this because it keeps my skin really clear when I'm having outbreaks. It helps me to remove dark spots from my face, and it's going to not only extract things out of the body if I was to ingest it and like eat it, drink it in a tea or anything like that, but you will see the difference in your skin the second you rinse it off, I promise. And that little piece of greenery is actually from my garden. It's lemongrass, but favorite part about the state that the world is in right now is the fact that everybody is their true and authentic self. So if I'm at home looking dusty, you can't judge me. You know why? Because you at home looking dusty too. And if you're like, oh, see, I got stretch marks, guess what? You and your mom have stretch marks too. And I'm like into it, and so is my husband, and it's just great. You see that braid? It needs to be re-dipped, and it's not getting dipped today because nobody gonna see it because I'm be at home. So get into it. Now you listen here. I have already had 2 buns in the oven. There is no bun in that oven. That is Auntie Flo. She is in town. And when you are a thick girl, around that time of the month, you plump up for no reason. I blow up like Hootie and the Blowfish. Yes, that is what happened. Nothing else, okay? So seriously, all jokes aside, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below to the video where I am teaching you guys how to make turmeric milk, and this turmeric milk literally knocks out my bloating. But as you can see, I had not took no sips of no turmeric milk, and I look like 3.5 months pregnant around that time. So yeah, sorry if y'all got excited for a minute. Don't get excited with me. You will never hear no story talking about nothing with my uterus, okay? My uterus is served, and it has done its time, and it's true. It's been cut open twice. Hello, okay? Sorry. Let's get into this facial. Gonna put this on, and I'll be back. I'm sorry if I Now that it is on, I'm just going to kind of rub it in my skin and stuff because it feels so very good. This will literally extract all of the little yuckiness out. But this is the Biotin serum that I use for my brows and lashes, and it is so amazing, you guys. It's very self-explanatory. I'll tell you what to do for the lashes. You apply a thin line along the upper lash line once a day at nighttime. Apply only at the root area onto clean skin as though applying eyeliner. Do not apply more than once per day. And for the brows, you're going to apply nightly onto the root of clean eyebrows. Sweep applicator brush along sparse areas. Let the product absorb into skin before applying additional products. So you're going to apply this very sparsely, you guys. Just a little bit on the areas. Seriously, all jokes aside, you do not want to pack this on. You want to make sure that you're only adding a very small amount. You don't need to get a glob or anything like that, and your eyelashes will be completely popping, and so will those brows. So don't worry if you've been at home going a little bit too far messing around with your brows. This will get them together. Look at these centipedes on my face. You know I'm not telling a story, guys. Get some. Link in bio description.
I'm doing autographs.
When Daisy comes, you doing autographs?
And my daughter.
Who is your daughter?
Baby Daisy.
Oh, so Daisy is your kid.
No, Baby Daisy.
But that's
But Foxy and Fluffy.
oh, so you and Daisy are together.
Yeah, but until Daisy comes, I'm in love with Foxy, and I have a daughter with Fluffy.
Wait.
Until she.
So you got a baby? Wait.
Break up with her.
So you got a baby with Daisy, but you in love with Fluffy.
I'm in love with Fluffy.
Okay.
Daisy abandoned me for some reason.
Oh, Daisy left you.
And then she gave me a note said I'm coming back because I was on vacation.
Oh, so she didn't leave you. She just went on a trip.
Yeah, for like 3 years.
Oh. But Bunny. Help me, please. I'm sure you're waiting for a video where, I don't even know what I'm gonna say, where I'm like ending, showing you guys like, oh boom, this is how everything turned out. This is how my skin turned out. I still got a bump on my face, but the truth is, it's like, I would be being the fakest person ever. I would be being like the people that irritate me the most, because the truth is right now I am not okay. Like living in a world where I can't be myself. Like I can't be myself because of the color of my skin. I cannot create the type of content that I want to create, because instead of putting videos out that I love, I have to make videos that make a computer, make you able to see my videos. I can't even get it out. I'm not gonna edit this. So instead of me being able to work with what I've already worked for, and now I have to go back to the drawing board and figure everything out, and that's fine. Like, I'm not upset about any of that. It's just a lot, you know? And then on top of that, like, every time we think we make one new strike, we are back in the same position over and over and over and over and over and over again. And I think the thing that we forget is that energy is neither created nor destroyed. It's just transferred from one source to the next. So as we are on here and as we making these videos, whether it's me making a silk press video that the algorithm loves, or if it's just me making the type of video, sharing the content of my heart that I want to share, whatever the case may be, we are still pouring out negative energy on each other. So of course we're still getting more negative energy produced inside of our house and outside of our house, because we have still not cleaned the inside. And I don't even necessarily want to preach to everybody. I'm just not feeling it. Like, I'm not feeling like super pretty, and I'm not feeling like a top beauty guru of the world. I actually feel trapped. Even though things in life are good for me, like I'm not trying to boast and brag or nothing. I'm not hurting financially. I am more than taken care of, but I feel trapped today. Today, I don't feel like I can be myself. I don't feel like I can get up in the morning and say, oh, I want to make this type of video. I want to share this. No, I have to compete. Even that's how the world is set up. And even when I don't compete, it is a world that wants to make me feel like I have to compete with everyone else around me. And I just simply don't want to. Not. So I'm not tripping or nothing, but today I'm just in my head. I don't want to end this video fake and putting on makeup, because I'm not fucking going anywhere. Like, I'm gonna put this on, this scarf back on, I'm gonna get in the shower, and I'm gonna go outside, and I'm probably gonna smoke weed, whatever. And then, yeah, and my mirror's dirty, and I'm not perfect, and I don't pretend to be perfect, and I'm still figuring stuff out for me and my family. And yeah, I help any way that I can. I use any tools that I feel like I have used to elevate me to help elevate you, and that's it. Woke up feeling a little discouraged a little bit, just, you know, not having things turn out the way that you want to in one area, even though other things in other areas are so amazing. I'm the type of person, like, I can have 100 bags with diamonds and jewels in it, but if it's like this one specific bag isn't going my way, you would think that I'm 2 steps away from being homeless. So that's just how I am. that's where I'm at today. So this is before I got in the shower. So, and you can tell because there's something on my face. I don't know if this video will even get seen by you guys, but that's how I'm feeling today. I'm going to get in the shower, and I told you, go outside, and hopefully tomorrow will be a lighter, more beautiful day. The energy is very heavy, but I love everybody as a human being, but specifically to my melanin drenched sisters and brothers, I love you. I send you my strength. I send you my love. If you just and losing my father, I know what it feels like. And know that over 170 something thousand people are feeling what I felt 7 years ago really bothers me. So please know that I'm not like a YouTuber's like, oh, I'm a YouTuber and I'm doing good and forget what everybody's going through. No, I love you. I'm always praying for you and manifesting for you. Sorry, but I'm from the streets and I had to get my life together. But like I was saying, I love you. And I know we're gonna be okay. We're gonna make it through this. My next video is going to be me and my mom, me doing my mom's hair, and like my baby sister is coming over, and I'm gonna do a silk press on her hair tomorrow, so you're gonna see that. So I do have some stuff coming from you for you, but just know that if you've been rocking with my channel and you've noticed changes, I'm not gonna give up. I'm going to consistently continue to transform myself. Thank you to everyone that is still here with me, that's been rocking with me, watching my new content, and I'm not gonna stop. Just like I went from 5K to 150 something K in less than a year from silk presses, I will surpass that in the same amount of time or however long it takes. But it's a fucking journey and it's hard. And today, combined with everything else in the world, it is a lot. But this is how I get through my shit. And it's gonna be nothing. I love you.